Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix easily Windows which is stuck in airplane mode. So let's get started. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, or you can simply do a right click here and go for run. The moment you do that, this window will appear. Here, you need to type for services.msc. After that, click OK. Once done, you will be redirected to this new window called Services, and all you need to do is press anywhere of this service or system, then type R. In this manner, you are showing the service or system starting from R. Here, you need to go for radio management and service. Now, if you don't know, radio management is actually linked for airplane mode service. Just have to mark this by simply clicking, do a right click, and go for restart. Once you restart this radio management service, we need to renew and flush the DNS. How? Just simply close this and search for command prompt here at the bottom search bar. Type cmd and this best match will appear. Go for run as administrator. The moment you click that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go on yes, and this new window will appear in your screen. Here, we need to input a command. IP, make sure it is lowercase, config space / release. Then press enter to continue. In this manner, we are releasing our IP configuration. After that, we need to input again a new command, which is IP config space / renew. Then click enter to proceed. Here, we are actually renewing our IP configuration. Okay? After that, we need to press a last command, which is IP config space / flush DNS, then press enter to continue. Okay? After that, after inputting all of this command, you need to close this and you need to restart your computer. So once you restarted your computer, go for network and settings. How? Just simply search for settings here and click on open. And once you are being redirected to your settings, go to the left side of it. Just wait. Go to the left side of it and go for network and internet. Here, you need to go for airplane mode. And if it's turned off, just turn it on and off again. And now it will be fixed. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.